Hi YouTube! Today I have a very exciting video for you, just something different I've never done on my channel before, and it's going to be a what is in my handbag video. And today's video is actually featuring my May Ivory Clasp handbag. I wanted to show it to you guys. I was going to do an unboxing of it, and I actually filmed it, and then after I filmed it I realized that the sound wasn't working and I didn't want to do another voiceover, so I chose to show you the bag in a different way. And so before I get into what's inside my handbag, let me talk a little bit about what Ivory Clasp is. It is a handbag subscription service in which you have the opportunity of paying $45 a month or $45 every other month, and you get a beautiful quality handbag. And when you sign up, you take kind of like a style quiz, and they assess what kind of style you have, what kind of handbags you like to carry, and from there they try to figure out what you're going to love each month that you're subscribed. So this month, this is my second month, and I would say so far so good. I love this month's handbag. And inside the box came some cute little cards. This is the thank you note from the people at the company, and then a little bit of a description of what it is on the back. Then this is from the handbag retailer. And then this is a little coupon that they included. And I also got a lip scrub sample from this company in my box this month. So lots of goodies. And this card, I'm just going to read what it says to you. This is a brown version of my handbag actually right here on the front of this card. But the brand is called With 212. Kind of a W, then a slash, and then 212. Says, New York, one of the fashion capitals of the world. Many girls dream of living the fashionable life of New York and having the coveted 212 area code. We at With 212 want every girl, no matter where she is in the world, to be able to carry a piece of fashionable New York with her. Using crisp colors and playful, sophisticated silhouettes inspired by the energy of New York City, our chic and stylish approach to every day encourages personal style with a dash of charm. Welcome to With 212. For more, visit us at with212.com. So I actually want to see what the retail price of this handbag is, just so you have an idea of kind of the value that you're getting. Ooh, it's apparently a very popular bag. It's called the Bowery. Okay, let's move on. It's loading and it's being weird. Okay, so this is the bag. Just a nice sizable bag, and you know I love large bags. It is leather, and on the front it has this cute little like tag thing. And then it has a little keychain that says With 212 on it. And it also says With 212 right here. And inside there are just two pockets. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but there's a pocket right there, and then a pocket on the other side right here. So first things first, my wallet. It's an MK wallet, and right now it's not the most organized, but yeah, there's that. Got some body spray here from Bath & Body Works. This is literally my favorite body spray right now. I just carry it around with me if, you know, a little refreshing or something around me needs refreshing. I just, you know, spray a little bit of this. But it's called On the Beach or At the Beach. And I literally have 1,000 of these lying around my house. No joke. This is a little pouch. This is back when I used to have Ipsy. This is one of my little Ipsy bags. But I have like random lipsticks that be chilling in my purse in here. Randoms. Got a Jouer one. This is my like everything. Too Faced Melted Matte. Also one of my everythings. Colourpop. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through everything in here, but got a little miniature Bum Bum cream. because I always have lotion with me wherever I go because ash is one of my worst fears in life, number one. But number two, I refuse to be unprepared when a potential ashy situation may arise. So I have lotion. This is like the best smelling lotion you'll ever smell in your life, and I'm not even joking. Okay, what else? Got a box of gum, some hand wipes. You never know when you're gonna need those. I've got a fan that I got from Mexico because I get hot, so I carry this around sometimes in case I might need it. Some Zyrtec because it's allergy season. I got this little Coach wristlet in here, and it just carries my charger cord and the butt in there. The charger butt. Let's see. We've got hand sanitizer, a lip gloss, and then a comb. I have short hair, and so sometimes I just randomly comb my hair. But right now I'm wearing a wig. This is my portable selfie light. When, you know, the lighting is just not favorable, get one of these, attach it to your phone. I've got some more lip product in here. Some Carmex, Mamacita by iluvsarahii and Colourpop, and then an Ivory lip pencil. That is what I have on my lips right now with some Sookie gloss on top, so that's why it's in here. Shove it all in here, actually. Okay, and then I've got a pen because you never know when you need a writing pencil. I've got my glasses for driving, and I've got my sunshades, which tell me these are not bad eggs. Yes. Am I serving something for you? Of course I am. What kind of silly question is that? Anyway, that is the last of what's in my handbag. I carry a lot of things in my handbag because I'm a handbag freak and hoarder, and I'm also a mom, so I have random necessities in here. But that is my handbag. All of that came out of this. Oh my. I am loving this handbag right now. It's my baby, and I'm taking it everywhere, and I cannot wait to show you guys my next month Ivory Clasp handbag, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions for other videos in the future, please drop that below. And I really do hope to see you guys next time, and make sure you hit subscribe before you leave. And I think that's it. Bye. Going to be a what is in my, oh dear, okay. And this month, today's video is Despacito, how we do it down in Puerto Rico.